I got the car back. So I just drove it out the shop, and this is my first test drive. So the mechanic said no, they did a successful job. They fixed it. I got 3 months of warranty or 3,000 miles, whichever comes first. So I think it's a great deal, guys. I really think it's a great deal. Everything seems to be okay. Everything seems to be okay. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. But I haven't seen the back. I mean, right now I'm trusting the mechanic, saying that he doesn't smoke. So I'm just gonna go home and leave it on for a while, and then floor it to see if everything's okay. Okay, guys. So as you know, I got the BMW back, and I got a lot of plans with it. But I want to take this moment to share with you guys the link below. It's called KNC Custom Decals. I got my decals there for the Jeep. You guys haven't seen them, but I got some decals for the hood of the Jeep. And so yeah, they got a lot of cool little decals. For most of them are hood decals and door decals, so check them out. The link is in the description. KNC Custom Decal, that's an Etsy shop. Check them out. And I'm
pretty sure there was something that you're gonna like. Also check out the Teespring.
I did a little Teespring for some shirts and hoodies and some mugs and stuff like that. Check them out. If you like something, you can buy it. If you don't like it, you don't have to buy it. Just check it out and let me know what you guys think. But you know, I want to talk a little bit about my video about the Jeep and the spray gun giveaway. There was a lot of people that got confused about that video, but I wasn't expecting for you guys to put all the names on that video, because I was gonna make a different video for you guys to do that. So I kind of I think I got you guys confused a bit on that, but this is what I'm gonna do. Since a lot of you already, you know, used that video to post the names, I'm just gonna leave that video. So don't expect a new video asking you to post the names. We're gonna use that same video. If you haven't post the name on that video, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. But my past video, that's the one we're gonna use. That's the one that you guys most of you have been using. So I'm gonna continue using that one, since a lot of you already started posting names there. So like I said, if you haven't posted a name for the Jeep, go back to that video and leave a comment there with the name of the Jeep, and don't leave 3 names or 2 names in one comment, because then we won't know. Like, if a lot of people like it, we don't know which name they like, so it's gonna be hard to make a decision. So leave one name per comment, and you can leave as many comments as you want. If you want to leave 15 names, then leave 15 different comments. And that's one part, like I told you guys. But then go and scroll down and check out the other names and give a like. At least find one name that you like from a different person and like it. That's what you gotta do. So I'm gonna start doing that for now, and once I hit the 2K, then we'll see who's the winner. So let's use that past video and leave a comment there. Okay, now let's get back to the BMW, guys. Okay guys, so I'm looking inside. I'm looking in the center console, and there's nothing. There's no aux input. A lot of you guys saying there was the input was right here, but it's not. I can't see it anywhere. A lot of you was saying that towards the front. There's nothing here. You just got the little knob to, I guess, for the AC. That's pretty much it. Down here there's nothing either. There's no aux input, so I guess it is back here, guys. I guess I have to remove this piece and I guess, you know, connect the aux input, because otherwise the recent one. So I'm gonna have to remove this, order it, remove it, install it, and that's it. Because there's no aux input in this car. There it is. I won't go around it because you know already seen it before, but no more smoke. And plus, I got a 3-month warranty, and 3 months or 3,000 mile warranty. So by that time, I already know if it's smoking again and take it back to the shop. But yes, on to what's shower. So it's time to give her a shower, guys. So guys, now that I have the car back, now I'm gonna start looking into paint job. As you can see, it's got a lot of scratches. It's really hard to see from right here, but there's some scratches all on the side. The fender there, every single spot. They hit every single spot. So I guess the owner, and that was, you know, out of desperation, he just keyed it all over just to make sure the insurance will total it, and that way he could get rid of it. When I guess started giving him problems with the smoking and the transmission. So when the car started having those issues, I guess he just didn't know what to do and decided to do this, which it was really dumb, if you ask me, to do all this to the car. But hey, not all of us think alike. So that's what he did. So now I'm gonna see what to do about this. So you guys saw all the scratches here, all the scratches. Now I got a question for you guys. Should I pay a shop to take care of the paint, or would you guys want me to take care of the paint? If you want me to do it, I could do it. You know, I'll order the paint up to code from whichever company it is, and sand it down, fill in the scratches with putty, and paint it. If you guys want me to go that route, I'll definitely go that route. Just leave it in the comment section. Let me know if you guys want me to go that route. You guys want me to do the paint job, or is it better to take it to the shop? I want to do it. I just feel that a shop will do a better job than me. But you guys, let me know what you guys want me to do, and I'll do it. Leave it in the comment section, and I'll see your comments, and if you guys want me to do it, I'll start ordering all the materials that I need. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and also don't forget to go back to the video. I'm gonna leave the link. Go down to the link and comment a name of the Jeep, so you can win this. Well, one of them, not both of them. I'm gonna get 2 of them, but I'm gonna separate them. So yeah, guys, like and subscribe.